Hi, I'm Briella Urcioli for Cure Magazine, your guide to every stage of the cancer experience. September is Blood Cancer Awareness Month, and Cure's latest issue is dedicated to these diseases. Here's a sneak peek at what's inside. First up, our cover story explores how researchers are taking a shot with subcutaneous injections to fight cancers such as multiple myeloma and lymphoma. The benefits already seen: fewer side effects and shorter time at the clinic. Next, a little of everything is being used when it comes to treating patients with non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Targeted therapies, immunotherapies, and new combinations show promise for the nearly 75,000 adults and children in the United States who are affected by this disease each year. And innovative techniques bring new options for people in need of stem cell transplant. Read the stories of patients who are able to strike a match and defy the odds. Also inside, a team of 16 people walk through fire and ice for a cause, raising money to help find a cure for multiple myeloma. Cure takes you inside their trek to Iceland. To read these stories and more, visit curetoday.com/publications. Or ensure you don't miss a story when you subscribe to new issue alerts. Visit curetoday.com/email-profile for more information. As always, thanks for reading.